Now we are discussing about types of testing. There are three main categories of automated testing, that is unit tests, integration tests, and end-to-end or E2E tests. Unit test is all about checking individual functions, components, or basically units of code. For example, you have a function which expects 3 parameters and returns an object. So you can write a test to check the same. It also means once changes made to the function, the test should run and give you the report. Generally, you have many units, functions, or components in a project, so this is the most common test happening on change of code. The second is integration test. As name says, this type of test comes in picture when code pieces, units, or components are integrated and together, how do they work? For example, you have a component connecting with server APIs. So in this kind of situation, you will have integration test and you will check whether all the components once integrated, do they work without any issue as they were working as individual entities. This type of test is to check the entire application and its flow. It's almost like the way end user deals or uses the application. That's the same way the test is being performed on the application. There are many ways or robots to automate data entry process, and they also generate report for success and failure status. So this is just a basic idea about types of tests. Out of these three categories, unit test is the major part in a project as it checks individual units. It is not mandatory to write tests for all the units. As a developer, you can judge and decide to have tests for specific units. As we go on in the section, you will also develop understanding with examples for which unit you should write a test and for which you should not.